You guys, I think I may have found the pinkest setting powder ever. Wow, this is so pink, guys. This is so pink. This smells good. This smells delicious. Oh, ooh. Huda Beauty, look out. When you get a package like this, branding on point, everything on point, it just makes you excited to open the box, all right, and try the product. Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a tutorial, review, and unboxing of some products that I got from Beauty Creations. Let's dive right in. Alright, first off, I want to say kudos to Beauty Creations. The attention to detail, guys. Look at the box, the tape screams marketing, screams branding. Guys, kudos to Beauty Creations for that. Oh wow. Now, even opening the box, guys, you see that? Even the bubble wrap has Beauty Creations written on it. It's, you know, when you get a package like this, it is so exciting to open it up because, whoa. So let's see, are the products as good as the marketing, the packaging? Let's see. So first off, I have my receipt. Everything that I ordered is right here. So first off, I got some samples, and that is something I like with this brand. You can actually order samples, free samples of their foundation shades. So that works out great for me because I do live overseas. So first off, I got the Flawless Stay Powder, and I got it in shade 16. So that's that. So this is how it comes. When you order the powder, this is how it comes. This is so cute, guys. Oh wow, that is so cute. And I can get a couple wears out of this too. And I also got it in shade 13. And guys, what's cute with it is that it comes with a little sponge. That is so cute. Let's put that right back there. Oh wow. So these are the two shades side by side. 16 and 13. Yeah, so I think 16 is going to be my all over shade and 13 is going to be my highlighter shade. Next, we have the Flawless Stay Matte Foundation group samples. So I got two because I really was not sure. So I got the deep dark and I got the medium tan. And guys, look at these samples. I think I can get a couple of wear out of these. Oh my. Yeah. But I think I'm gonna be more in the deep dark category, but let's see. Next up, we got the Flawless Stay Foundation sample. All right, so I got two shades. I got shade 10 and shade 10.5. So these are them. They come in these little packets. All right. So we have foundation down to be able to do a base already. So that's cool. So next up, we have the Pink Cloud Setting Powder and Puff Set. And guys, this is talc free. So if you're looking for a talc free powder, this is her. All right, this is how it comes. Oh my goodness. And we also get the triangle puff. I'm loving it. Oh wow, this is beautiful. All right, so already the puff is a peach cream color. Very cute, very girly. Ooh, this is pink. This is so pink, guys. Ooh la la. You guys, I think I may have found the pinkest setting powder ever. This is how it is. Wow, this is so pink, guys. This is so pink. I might try her today. All right, so next up we have the Pretty Press setting powder and Pink About It. Pink About It. That is so cute. Let's pink about it. Let's pink about it. All right, this is she. Oh, pretty. Oh my goodness. And like even like the tape to take this off, I don't know if you can see, but it's like it has like a heart on it. The Beauty Creation mark. Wow. This is branding, y'all. This is branding. I don't even want to take it off. Cute. All right, and we open it. Guys, this is so pink. This is so pink, guys. Oh my goodness. Let me just, because I can't help myself, pass my hand. And this is in the shade Pink About It, all right? Next up, we have Candyland X Beauty Creation I Want Candy Loose Powder and Puff Set, all right? So it doesn't say talc free for this one, but let's see. All right, so this one opens above. This smells good. This smells delicious. I don't know. There's something. Oh. Ooh. Huda Beauty, look out. All right, so this is purple, guys. Oh my goodness. I think this might be a dupe for the Ube birthday, for the Ube setting powder. But this is purple, guys. Oh my goodness. Let me show you both powders side by side. So this is Pink Cloud and this is Jolly Gumdrop. See? So Pink Cloud comes with peach triangle sponge, while the Candyland Jolly Gumdrop comes with white ones. So we get a large and we get a smaller puff to get into the smaller areas. Guys, I don't know when last I was this excited about an unboxing. And just look at this packaging. Oh wow, this is just, yeah. And this smells good too. I can't wait to open it. All right, so next up we have, oh, I got a gift. I did get a gift when I ordered this, but I'm gonna show you guys that last. So next I have the Dare to Be Bright bundle. So in the Dare to Be Bright, we have eyeliners. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bright eyeliners. We also have 12 color bases, and just looking at them, the way the sun is hitting, they are not full to the brim. Like this one, for instance, I can see it stops right here. And a lot of them, the white is full, the black appears full, the green appears full, but these just stop right there. So you're not getting full product unless they have dried out. So we're gonna see, because we're gonna use them today. And I also want to know how they compare to the P. Louise ones. And then lastly, in this, we got the liners. I believe these are liners. So we also have 12 of those. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Moving on to the gifts. I'm noticing 2 gifts, whereas I was only supposed to receive 1. So for the tint anniversary, I got this bottle. It is pink! Oh my goodness! Oh, and it says 10th anniversary beauty creations. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This is so cute, guys. This is so cute. Thank you, Beauty Creations. And then it just twists up. You can drink from it. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I wonder if this can be purchased alone because we got this as gifts, but it is. I wouldn't mind getting a second. And then I see another gift that I did not purchase, and this is the Louis Castro X Beauty Creation. This is Purple Moments. Oh, I got a liner and it's purple. Oh, oh my goodness, guys. And that was just a light. You see that? It's fine and beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Beauty Creations.